Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Stops Making Car Payments, Ends Badly. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Here's what happens when you refuse to get out of your vehicle while it's getting repoed.
What's up, partner?
She won't let me pull out. One second, lady.
Yeah.
How you doing, boss man?
I'm good. How about yourself? Ma'am, you need to let him do his job, please. Ma'am,
What you say?
can you please move away from the car so he can do his job? I'm talking to you.
I listen to you.
Okay, so can you please move?
Can you give me 1 second?
No. He's got to do his job. He's got to go. Ma'am, don't make this difficult, please.
Let me get my stuff in the car. What happened to you?
She can take whatever she wants
He
out.
says if you give him the key, you can take whatever you want out. But you got to give him the key.
Yeah, I called for the key.
Well, then, if you don't have the key, then watch out so I can leave. I'm shocked.
I called for the key. My baby daddy coming the key.
From where?
He on the way.
From where? Where is he coming from?
I don't see.
All right, come over here and talk to me.
You guys do me a favor, just back up.
I tried to do something in the car.
Huh?
Because I don't know. I don't carry leave in the car. I try to put my stuff in the car.
Okay, but he's got to go. He's got a job to do.
Yeah, I'm supposed to get my stuff.
You can go get your stuff when you get your car back if you pay the bill.
That's why him tell me.
Okay, come on. Come over here.
You tell me to take.
I'm telling you, I wouldn't want to be no repo man. They go through so much, and now you trying to sneak and try to get it so that way you don't have to interact with the people, because a lot of times, you know, the people, they don't want to give up their vehicle or whatever, so they're always gonna give you a hard time. And yeah, I wouldn't want to be no repo man. That's like one of the most thankless jobs that you can get. You're just sitting there messing up somebody's day. In reality, the people actually messed up their own day by not paying their bills. I know you enjoying the content, but I need to share something important about today's sponsor, Aura. In 2024, we've seen some of the most alarming data breaches ever. Dell had over 49 million customer records exposed. Ticketmaster wasn't spared either, with a staggering 560 million records compromised. But the most chilling breach? National public data. It's reported that nearly every American was affected, and hackers were so brazen they posted the stolen data online for free. These breaches are proof that none of us are safe unless we take action. That's why I use Aura to protect my personal information. Aura monitors your sensitive data 24/7, searching billions of data points across the dark web. If there's any suspicious activity, like your social security number or bank account details being compromised, you'll be alerted in real time. Aura also provides a safety net with up to $5 million in identity theft protection insurance. And it's not just about monitoring. They offer a range of tools to secure your online presence, all wrapped into a single app that's incredibly easy to use. Take the first step in protecting your identity by visiting aura.com/shy. You can try Aura for free for 14 days, giving you the perfect opportunity to see if your information has already been exposed. Trust me, there's no better time to secure your digital life than right now.
Stop.
Hey, but he's being patient. You guys are blocking the car in. Ma'am, can you not walk up behind him? Stay over here. Stay over here. I don't need you walking up behind him while he's doing his job. Put your stuff over there and just stay out of the way. Is that everything?
No.
Okay. You have two hands. Can you use them both, please?
What you say?
Use both hands. Put the phone down and grab what you need. He's got to go.
Don't show me.
I'm not mean, ma'am. There's no reason that we had to come here. He's here to do his job, and you guys aren't letting him do it.
Don't talk back with me.
All right, that's it.
No, I got them in there.
He's got to go. Ma'am, let's go.
Let me take my.
You're moving too slow. He's got to go.
Yeah, well, why you got? Oh, I'm talking to you. Why you gotta get this guy?
They're taking the car. Can you give him the key?
What? She's in the car. Why you got to throw her with the car? With the car?
No,
Okay. Sit down in the car. They cannot take you out with the car.
I'm not gonna do that.
Okay. Sit down in the car. She cannot take you without the car. That's Why they got to do that?
Come on.
Yeah, let them take you with the car. Why you gonna
I thought
You need to get out of the car. You need to get out of the car. I don't want to take you to jail.
What kind of man is this? He's like, let them take you with the car. Like, what? Where they do that at? Where they get him from? Because this guy's all over the place. You're gonna give her terrible advice and say sit in the car so they'll take you with the car. Oh man, I don't know how they making these guys nowadays, man. These guys are just, I don't know, they got a couple brain cells loose, you know what I mean?
Please get out of the car. Come out of the car.
Okay.
Have a good day.
So let them pick you up with the car.
Enough. Can you please get out of
I
the
make
car?
a payment tomorrow, okay?
Okay, I can't control that. Can you please get out of the car?
Don't say I cannot see. I'm
Back up.
asleep.
I'm not doing it. Back up.
Why not do that?
I'm telling you to back up.
He live here. He live here. He pay hours here.
Give me more respect.
You're gonna end up making this worse for yourself and end up going to jail. So just come out of
I
the car.
don't care. I'm going to the jail.
You should care.
No problem. Sure. Go to jail. What
Come
now?
on, get out.
That I would.
Come on.
And the bank owns the vehicle now?
I make a payment tomorrow. I make payment tomorrow. Give me a change. I make payment tomorrow. But today.
Go tell him that. Go tell him that then. And maybe he'll put your card
I
down.
tell him.
Go tell him right now.
I tell him.
Go tell him right now.
No, I'm not go nowhere. I'm not go nowhere. Arrest me. Go to the jail.
Don't pull the door closed on me.
That's my car. I buy $7,000.
Not your car anymore.
I made a $7,000 deposit.
That's not your car, that's the bank's car. That's why they're towing it. If it was your car, you would not have a loan.
When I got that car.
Can you please ask her to get out of the car?
Why she
If she makes payment, she can get the car back.
Why she have to go to jail for? Why?
It's not her car anymore.
Why? Why she not the car? Why
It's not her car anymore. The bank owns the car.
Why? Yeah, I know that because she don't want the bank. The bank never pick up what she.
I got you. Can you please ask her to get out of the car? You're the one that
I go and tell her to get out.
you're the one that escalated this.
Doesn't matter what you say. I understand what you say. But the law cannot tell with the car.
I'm glad you're a lawyer.
Okay, I come so
Why
Please do. Please do. Please do.
Why not?
If he's got the, listen, if you have the money.
Why not? Malo.
Go grab it, ma'am. And we'll be out of here. You gotta go show him.
You see?
Go
The money. I'm a payment tomorrow.
What is in your mouth? Can you go show it to
I'm
him?
a payment tomorrow.
I can't understand you with food in your mouth.
Tomorrow I'm a payment.
Go show it to him.
Put it on surely.
What?
I swear I'm the guy.
What do you? I don't know what's in your mouth.
I don't know. I'm a payment tomorrow. I'm a payment tomorrow.
Ma'am, can you go show him the money? Show him the money.
Why?
So you can get the car back.
I'm sure you.
No, you have to show him. It's not my
I'm
responsibility.
not going nowhere.
Okay, well then he's gonna sit here all night. He's not putting the car down.
No problem.
All right, ma'am, listen.
You see? I'm a
got you.
tomorrow. I'm a
Ma'am,
payment.
ma'am,
6 o'clock.
ma'am, I really do not want this to escalate, okay? I would greatly appreciate it if you would just exit the vehicle so he can do his job, okay? If not, unfortunately, we're gonna have to take you to jail, and I don't wanna have to do that.
Oh,
Come on. You gotta get out of the car.
He's not lying to you. Why would you make your night worse? You're gonna make your night worse.
You're gonna make this way more difficult.
This is gonna be a lot worse than it has to be.
Ma'am,
Do me a favor.
ma'am, can you please get out of the car?
I'm a payment tomorrow.
Come talk to him then, ma'am. Tell him.
I tell him already.
Come on.
I'm gonna get you out. You're gonna go. Listen, we're not waiting a second. I'm gonna get you by your hand and I'm gonna drag you out. Okay, we're not waiting a second. Wait, do you want me to have you back?
Right, that's fine.
No, we're not doing that. I'm gonna grab your hand and I'm gonna take you out.
Let's go, please.
No have problem with me.
I don't have a problem with you.
Come on, listen. He's not here. He's just here to help me. Help me. Come on out.
Listen.
Do you want?
I don't have a choice.
I'll take the blue team.
No, I'm not worried about that.
You got gloves? No, we're not waiting. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna take you to jail. I'm gonna take you to jail. You don't care? Then let's go.
Just grab those.
Come on. You're out.
Grab the monster.
Come on.
Grab the monster.
Go to the other side.
It's locked. She locked it.
Unlock the door here, Kalora. Go on the other side. All right. Go, hey, Kalora, come on the other side.
Come on.
I got it.
Come on, man.
You guys stay over there.
12. Start us some more units for crowd control.
We don't need that much.
Just for crowd control. Because he's going to start.
No.
Come on. Get out. Come on.
Come on. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Come on. Come on.
Stop resisting and get out.
Yes. Time to get her together, man. Get her to act right, man. She not acting right, man. She not acting right. 1 second. 1 second. No, you have plenty of 1 second. No. Get out the car. You don't want to get out the car. We're going to get you out the car. Simple. Plain and simple, man.
Get up. Give me 1 second. I got up. Give me 1 second. I got up. Give me 1 second. I got up.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
I'm coming. I got up. My feet. Give me 1 second. I'm I got up myself.
Give me chips. I've given you so many chips. Let's go.
Watch my back. Watch my back. Back up. Back up. Back up. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I don't know, she was eating something.
That's not good. That's not good.
Grab this left hand. Hold this left arm.
Give me a chance.
So I can let go and grab this other.
Chance.
Okay, we're good here. You got this. You got this.
Why?
Hold on. Go back. Slow.
I'm
There you go.
here. Why? I'm not gonna fucking push nothing. Why? You said
You got the key? You got a key to lock it?
We'll get it up after. Come on, get up.
I'm gonna fucking stay.
Roll over.
Hold on. Give me a second.
Roll over on your side. Come on, sit up. Sit up.
No, you don't free for me. I don't need.
Stop.
Play stupid games and you win stupid prizes. Congratulations. Take a trip down to the county.
Stop.
They be bag. I tried my bag.
Hey, give me like.
I tried by my boyfriend bag. Let me get the bag.
Stop pulling away.
Don't move. Stop, let go.
Yes.
For what?
Resisting.
What's her charge?
She would not listen.
Not resisting.
Yes.
Hold on. Wait.
One thing.
Stop.
I
gotta take this off.
But she wasn't resisting any. She was not following any.
Okay, let me get my son. By my son.
Let go.
Let me buy my son.
Turn around. Come on, turn around.
But Christian, Papa is on the door.
Hey, turn. Thank you, Mom. Relax. Hold on. Okay.
She has the language. I know.
I'm gonna pat you down with the back of my hand, okay? You understand? There's cameras here watching. Turn.
You have to.
Are you hurt?
She don't speak English.
Yeah.
Where?
No, she don't speak English.
Huh?
She don't speak English.
Huh? Go ahead and get in the car then if you're not hurt.
She don't know what to say. I'm not smoking. You think I smoke? I'm not smoking. Fuck! I don't want to fucking talk to you. Fuck that. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Alright, let's get out of here, guys.
The suspect was charged with obstructing an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood.
No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.